My dear students, in today's class, let us see how to calculate arithmetic mean in continuous series. There are three methods of doing. Today I am saying direct method. The formula is sigma fm by n. My dear students, sigma fm by n. Here I have to take mid values. I will show how to take. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Have you seen, my dear students? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Then the next column will be fm, f into m. Yeah, my dear students, if you see this, fm by n I have done, f into m, fm, 210, 2 into 5, 10, 4 into 15, 60, 1 into 25, 25, like this. Then if I substitute there, I will get the answer. Means in the direct method, the formula will be x bar is equal sigma fm by n. Now I will show you indirect method or shortcut method. There the formula is a plus sigma fd by n. D is one number we have to assume from midpoints. My dear students, I have taken 15 as assumed mean. M minus a, d is equal 5 minus 15 minus 10. 15 minus 15, 0. 25 minus 15, 10. 35 minus 20, 45 minus 30, likewise. Then f into d we have to do, my dear students. This method is known as shortcut method. My dear students, I got 60 as total. N is equal 10. Repeatedly I am saying the total is n, 10. X bar is equal to a plus sigma fd by n. You see here, my dear students, 60 by 10, 6. 6 plus 15, 21. Means in the direct method and indirect method, you have to get the same answer. Yes, you see the formula a plus sigma fd by n. Then one more method is there, my dear student. This method is known as shortcut method. This method is step deviation method. Here the formula is a plus sigma fdx by n into c. My dear students, here you can see mid values I got 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Then d I have taken like m minus a. And then 15 assume చేసుకున్నానమ్మా. m లోంచి 15 మైనస్ చేస్తే 5 మైనస్ 15 అంటే మైనస్ 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. d బై c అంటే ఇక్కడ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్ మనం చూడాలి. క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్ అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ అనమాట. 10 ఉంది, ఇది 10. ఇది మంచిగా రాస్తానమ్మా. 1 మినిట్. అంటే డీని క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్తో డివైడ్ చేశానమ్మా. 10 బై 10 అంటే -1, 0 బై 10, 0, లైక్ వైజ్. దెన్ f ఇంటూ d, dx, 2 into -1, -2, 4 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 3, 3. Then I got 6. The formula is x bar is equal a plus sigma fdx by n into c. So here 15 plus 6 by 10 into 10. If I cancel this 10, 10, 10, then it will be like 15 plus 6, 21. Hope, my dear students, you understood the problem. Calculation of mean in the direct method, indirect method, step deviation method in continuous series. Only x and f they will give, my dear students. Okay, the question I will show you. For that question I have shown. This is the question. Calculate mean for the following data. Calculate mean for the following data under the three methods. అమ్మ 3 మెథడ్స్లో మనం చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ నేను చాలా క్లారిటీగా చెప్పాను. మీన్ ఎక్స్ బార్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ సిగ్మా ఎఫ్ఎం బై ఎన్. ఓకేనా? చూడండి అమ్మ,